Yon, so magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Here me, Alex Cornell. Welcome to the Trading Comedy. And for tonight, we're going to do some charting session before the market starts this week. So ito yung mga sinagot nyo sa poll natin sa Google Forms via my Facebook page. So salamat sa mga sumagot. So out of 12 responses, ito yung mga pinili nyo. We got VITA, AXLM, Tech, Fruit, and ISM. So these are the 5 stocks that we're gonna take a look at for tonight. Plus 3 more stocks that I chose. So para 8 stocks, ganon. Anyway, tuloy na natin. Let's look at the PSE kung ano nangyari sa kanya nung Friday. Ayan, untog siya. So looks like for last week hindi man lang siya umabot sa 7.5. So I'm expecting it to go down pa. So if we're going to draw the retracement from this perspective, mukhang pababa pa siya. Ayan. So ito na yung next level niya, guys. Pa 7,000 na ganun. So ito na. Or even below pa. Baka ito pa yung abutin niya. So yun lang. Yun yung quick outlook ko for the entire index. So pag ganito, again, iwas ako. Hindi ako masyadong attached sa mga blue chips. So more on second liners and siguro mga basura stocks yung hinahabol ko pag ganito. So anyway, let's get started. Simulan na natin yung stock chart request nyo. Let's start with fruit. So gawin natin base dito. Bottom muna. Ihuhuli ko yung VITA. Anyway, so ito si fruit. Kamusta siya? Actually, may pwesto ako nito nung this week nagka-pwesto ako dito. So, ito yung naging initial drawing ko sa kanya. Pero yung nangyari dito, ayan, nauntog siya ulit. At na-stop out ako dito sa level na to. So, gumawa siya ng higher low dito sa area na to. So, I'm kinda expecting it to go down a bit. So, probable target kung sobrang lakas nito, around 1.7 to 1.8. Kung tingin nyo mag-hold siya doon. And the parabolic SAR is also suggesting na yung support niya is at around 1.81. So you could probably try to catch there. Or kung MA person kayo, MA20. So MA20 is at 1.83. So pwede rin abangan yung level na yun if you're expecting a bounce from that MA. But if it goes down south again, baka abang kayo dito sa 1.55 or even lower. But basing from the past prices, baka 1.55 would be the best bet to catch for a bounce. So there. And yun nga, potential upside, baka hanggang 2.something, 2.40 at the very least, no? Pag dinignan natin tong level na to. So kung medyo mataas yung upside nito, attractive pa rin yung upside niya. So kung nari sumalo kayo sa parabolic SAR bounce, yan, medyo malaki-laki din. Mga 20 to 30% depending on where you want to take profits. So yeah, set your stops accordingly. So yun, tapos na tayo sa fruit. Next tayo kay ISM. ISM was actually tricky. Hindi man lang siya umabot sa 2 nung isang araw. So nagkaroon ng malalang sell down. So tingnan natin kung saan talaga siya pababa. Initial sabi ko dito nasa around 1.50. So, ito yung nakita nating pivot point sa kanya. So, if we're going to consider this one as the pivot point, itong part na to, and we draw the Fibonacci retracement from this perspective, ito yung hinahabol niya. Ito, according sa ating lazy Elliott retracement, which is actually in confluence with this support area over here sa noong 2018. So yun nga, may range siya at around 1.3 to 1.5. So siguro dun kayo sa asalo if you want to play. If you want to continue to play ISM. Or if you want me to give you another perspective, you can use a line chart. Ayan. Tapos kunin nyo tong pivot point. So wait lang, draw natin. Ito. Ayan, yung pivot point na yan sa line chart. At nakikita natin na ayun nga, baka ito nga yung bounce niya. Pero wait, meron akong other way of plotting this eh. Parang dito din pwede rin. This part, I guess. Ayan, no, lower pa nga yung sinasuggest niya. Or ano ba yung mas tama? I think ito yung mas tama. But anyway, ayun, yun yung napansin ko sa kanya. Next. Oh yeah, upside. Upside pala baka hanggang dito lang. 1.5 hanggang dito. Yan, malaki naman. Kung kaya niyong laruin for the week. Saka pa-breakout yung parabolic SAR. Maybe you could also use that as an entry signal. So, yun. So, right now, it's still on a downtrend. So, next naman tayo. Dami ko na sinabi. Let's go with tech. Tech. So, recalling my previous count here using the lazy Elliott retracement. Wave 4 siya going to wave 5. Okay. So, ito yung previous count ko sa kanya. This is 1. 2 is this 61.8. 3 is somewhere sa 216.18, which is this one na untog. 4 is probably this area sa may 100%. So, yan. I think this is a good entry kung gusto niyo talaga siyang laruin. Okay. 8 would be the best entry. Pero pwede niyo nang pwestohan to actually. Just, again, set your risk. Saka yun, yung TP nito nasa 14-ish. So, ito yung panoorin yung level for tech. Yan, ito. Tapos check natin yung mga MA. Let's see, MA 100. It's still above MA 100. So, pwedeng MA 100 bounce yung bias nyo dito. And yan. Pwede rin dito. Dito kayo mag-TP sa 12.8 if you guys are respecting MA 200. It's up to you guys. But if you want to go on and try out the lazy Elliott retracement, hanggang dito siya. Sa 241.4 hanggang 261.8% ng retracement na to. So that's my review for tech. Next naman tayo. Yon, AXLM. Okay, kamusta si AXLM? Ayan, so fresh yung uptrend ni AXLM. It looks like it's rejecting the head and shoulders. Okay, mukhang nire-reject niya ito kasi yung parang head shoulders niya. So mukhang na-reject and nag-signal yung parabolic SAR dito na uptrend na siya. So yun yung nakikita natin at first glance. Tapos we're gonna draw a lazy Elliott retracement here. Wait lang. Ayan. You can also use the Donchan channel as the guide. Ayun. Hanggang wait, burahin ko lang yan. So looks like it bounced off 23.6. So, kung dyan yung bounce point niya, kung dito, usually yung resistance nito nasa 127.2 or 141.4. So, pili kayo dyan. So, assuming nag-enter kayo at 2.75, ayan, malaki-laki din yung upside. Kung kaya nyo siya i-hold hanggang dito. But if you're a bit conservative with your profit taking, baka hanggang 3.50 at least yung gagawin yung TP dito. And it's already at ano bang wave count nito? I think this is a wave 2 if you're gonna look at it from this perspective. So 1 to. If we're gonna assume itong 1 na to ay nasa 100% level, ito siguro yung 2 dito. Ito yung 2. Not sure yet kung complex or simple correction yung ginawa niya, but I'm initially judging this as a complex correction. So, ako lang yun. Kasi matagal din siya nag-consolidate dito sa yellow area. Umabot din ng ilang days. So, starting Feb 3, naglaro lang siya dito sa area na to. So, halos magwa 1 month din siya nag-correct dito sa area na to. I mean, nag-conso. So, I'm kind of expecting wave 3 to hit here sa 4.23 kasi nandito yung next resistance niya. Pag tinignan nyo yung chart, ay sorry, shit, ba't nandyan yung 5? Okay, naggulo yung drawing ko. Pero yan, parang ganyan yung nakikita kong impulse niya. Ayan, ito yung kasi yung next resistance din niya, guys, kaya pinapanood din natin to. So I guess pwede nyo siyang pwestuhan kung tingin yung malakas yung 3. So, and if we're gonna look at the market depth, hindi ko rin makonclude kung malakas yung 3 as a support. But kung mas may tiwala naman kayo sa chart, you could probably try it. Since ano naman, yung 38.2% dito na sa 2.94. So, pwede yung saluhin siguro to. But for me, just to be safe, siguro sa break ng 3.25. Ayan o, kasi maraming nakapila din dito. 3.25 or 3.30. Kayo bahala kung anong bias nyo sa breakout nitong AXLM. But yeah, nevertheless, maganda yung upside. Kahit papano. This can be a decent swing trade or a powerful momentum push dito. Okay. So there. That's my review for AXLM. So last na tayo. Some chart request nyo. We're gonna look at VITA. Actually, binalik ko na rin din. Ay, hindi ko pala lang naglagay ito sa watchlist ko. Dapat pala lalagay ko. Pinapansin nyo na bigla eh. So, let's see. Ano ba nangyari kay VITA? Let me just add this to my watcher. So, anyway, ano nangyari kay VITA? Yan, fresh yung parabolic SAR, mga brad. So, tingnan natin kung saan MA siya anong MA yung ninerespeto niya. Let's open all MAs, I guess. Damay na natin pati BB. Oy, ang ganda. So, ito guys. Ito yung panoorin nyo. Kaya nyo pinapanood. I guess the best entry here if it breaks out MA 200. Saka napansin din natin dito na... Wait lang, tanggalin ko muna to. Nagre-resist din siya sa MA 100 eh. Mukhang yun yung mas respected level niya. Tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3. Parang 4 times siya nag-resist. Ayan. 1. Ito yung second. 3. Diba, daming beses siya nag-resist. Oh. Lakas ng MA 100 as a resistance. But looking at the volume, mukhang nagpaparamdam na to. So, nung Thursday and Friday, tingnan nyo tong volume spikes dito. So, we might expect a rally here for the week. Kaya pinapansin to ng karamihan. And if we're going to use our lazy Elliott, well, if we just draw a retracement actually from this unang resistance hanggang dito sa lowest niya. Pwede siguro, no? Laruin nyo 50%. So, pwedeng ito yung gawin yung entry siguro, si 1.22 or 1.18 kung tingin nyo medyo magpo-pullback siya bago lumipad. So, perspective nyo na yun. And probably do a quick swing trade. Ayan, mga 10% upside na swing trade. 9 to 10%. So, pwede dito kayo mag-TP at 1.34 or dito at 1.42. Pero kung may tiwala kayo na magbe-breakout to ng very malakas. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano bang funda nito. Parang wala naman. Wala pang nilalabas sa edge. So, technically, wala pa talaga siyang laman. So, pwede rin dito at the break of 1.42. Tapos, itong 161.8 yung gawin yung TP. Pero, again, depende na lang to sa reward appetite nyo. Pwede rin hanggang dito sa 1.70. Kasi may resistance din dun sa nung April of 2019 may resistance dito. So, pwede rin ito yung gawin yung tipihan. Or kung sobrang optimistic nyo sa stock na to, i-long term nyo, baka kaya na abutin yung dos. No hype intended, guys, kasi, ayan, nasa past price naman niya na umabot siya above 2 pesos. Actually, last year to, ng January. So, yeah. So, yan yung siguro yung mga levels na pwede nyo panoorin for VITA. And that wraps up your stock requests. So, dito naman tayo sa mga pinapanood ko currently. So, hope you guys enjoyed the session at may natutunan kayo. So, let's move on with my 3 stocks na tinitingnan ko for the week. So, first one is ABS. Actually, pinasukan ko to. Nung mga bandang 2 p.m. nung Friday, I was driving. Tapos nakita ko ito yung closing. So, probably gagawin ko dito. Baka mag-exit ako this Monday. Pag nawala yung harang dito sa 19.50, baka aalis muna ako kasi malakas yung bearish bias ng karamihan ng mga tao dito. So, it might fill the gap here. So, may gap ditong kailangan na i-fill at around 18-ish. And if we're going to draw the lazy Elliott retracement, ito yung ginagawa niya currently. I think I mentioned it on my Twitter the other day na complex wave 2 to. And I assume that this part here is already wave 3. So, nauntog niya to. Itong 22.05, which is actually a resistance dito noong September of 2019. Nandyan yun. So, I'm expecting here a simple wave 4. Dahil hindi natin makikita sa daily, kasi isa lang na yung red candle, we need to look at the movement kung paano siya gumalaw. So, it looks like A, B, baka A pa lang tong wave na to, yung subwave ng ginagawa niya. For the correction, baka, wait lang, i-draw nga natin. If we're gonna assume this is probably the first wave A. Sorry guys, ang gulo. Wait, tanggalin ko muna to para makita nyo. So if we're gonna assume this to be A, itong talbog niya sa 19.48 I guess. And B would probably hit here again. Or itong 61.8 baka pinapanindigan niya. And C would probably will hit here. Baka dyan. Baka ganito yung gawin niyang ABC. So tingnan natin sa Heiken. Ayan, mukhang ganun. So I also use Heiken to determine the direction talaga. So dito sa part na to, mukhang ayan, baka tapos ng wave A, not sure. At baka lumipad siya briefly. Probably intraday or for the week, abutin niya at least 21. If you're gonna go for a simple swing trade, so pwedeng ganyan bago siya matuloy mahulog sa C. So pwedeng ganun yung scenario na pwede nating tignan. So going back here, sorry, balik natin yung kanina kong drawing. So if we're gonna assume wave 4 as a simple correction, since itong part na to sa wave 2 parang complex yung ginawa. Okay. We're expecting the last wave to hit dito sa green area. So dyan yung tinitignan kong wave. But my entry here was at around 20. So nung bias ko kasi dito, akala ko mag-hold yung 20 and nangyari nga nag-breakdown. So I would probably re-enter. Hanap ako mas magandang entry. So malalaman ko bukas kung mag-hold pa yung kung anumang level to. Mag-hold yung 19.5 kundi aalis ako and reposition. So mukhang in-confluence tong 196% dito sa resistance noong January 2019. So meron dyan resistance. So pwedeng dyan yung magiging next target niya for assumed wave 5. So that's my review for ABS. So, MA-wise, tingnan natin kung saan siya pwede mag-bounce, ano yung confluence niya. And looking at this, mukhang MA-20 yung hahabulin niya. Since may gap nga to be filled here. So, pwede niyo expect na baka i-revisit niya tong 18, which is 61.8. And if ever mag-bounce siya dyan, you can expect the next target would be around here sa green area. But if you guys are conservative, pwede nyo naman TP din yung 22 point something. Basta itong areas na to. So, it really depends on how you entered. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo sa ABS. IRC naman. Yeah, I'm down to my last two. IRC. Ayan. Mukhang, I'm not sure if this is a gap fill. May kailangan ba siyang i-fill na gap? See the early. Tanggalin ko muna yung MAs, guys. Sorry yung gulo. Okay, ba yung pwede natin i-ano dito? Probably if you can assume this as an entire wave 1, baka nagbubuo siya ng ano? Let's see, wave 1. Ito yung next niyang sinasalo. Might try to revisit these levels. Actually, sa AAA ko, I think I put a buy trigger at near sa piso. Basta malapit sa piso yung ginawa kong buy trigger. At ayun, ang daming parang potential support dito sa binibigay ng market depth. Puro 6-digit volume yung hinaharang nila. So, pwede siguro i-revisit niya tong levels na to. Worst case scenario na yung 1 below. Pero I think it needs to hold at least 1 peso. Oh yeah, basta ba dapat mag-hold yung 1. If we're gonna expect something big here kay IRC. Saka napansin natin may volume spike din siya noong Thursday. So, I think pwede niyong laruin to. And the potential upside of this would be, if assuming sa piso siya nagland bukas, ayan, pwedeng 1.18. I-retest niya ulit tong resistance. Or kung mag-breakout siya, pwedeng 1.25. Assuming nga na i-revisit nga tong 23.6. Okay. Kasi may resistance din dito. Ay, shit. Sorry. Nausog ko. Actually, here. Ito yung resistance. Ayan. So, in-confluence siya dito sa binigay ng price action nung January. So, ito yung next na kailangan niyang i-break. So, kung ma-break niya pa yan at lumakas yung rally nito, I think the potential impulse would hit hanggang dito, at least dito sa green area na to. Okay. If the lazy count is correct. Kasi yung ginawa natin dito, 1 to. Ito yung 2. Yung 2 hindi pa natin kasi alam kung saan maglalan. So I'm gonna assume that it would probably go down hanggang malapit sa piso. And then 3 would probably be here. And then 4 would be something simple or complex correction. Not sure yet. And 5 would be here. So baka ganyan yung gawin niya. So good luck sa mga maglalaro nito. And for the last one, I think we're done here. Sa last na tayo. We're gonna go look at now. Now! Magiging Naranian na naman ako. Ay, ang wiki. Tignan natin kung worth patulan ba. Well, judging from the market depth, no, parang worth pa siyang patulan. Kasi merong 2.48 million na nakaharang sa DOS. So, probably magkakaroon siya ng play. From where I'm seeing. But let's see from a long-term perspective if this is an ABC. I want to see. Nasaan na yun? Probably an ABC. Let's see. Draw ko lang to. Let's draw this. And move it here. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging support nito. Ayan nag-support yung 2 kasi eh. So kung ganito yung drawing ng Lazy Elliott natin, mukhang hindi ito yung magiging next niya. Pwedeng ito. Kasi in confluence naman siya. So yan, huwag niyo masyado agad sambahan yung mga golden ratio levels. Just trade what you see. So this is what we're seeing. Mukha naman nag-hold. So you can probably try to catch at this area. So kung ito yung nakikita nyo, and let's see kung meron ba siyang MA na nire-resist. At mukhang meron. So looks like it's resisting MA20. Pero above naman siya ng MA9. Mukhang mabilisan ng galawan nito. So you could probably do a quick bounce play. So kunwari gusto nyo itry itong MA9 bounce, pasok kayo malapit sa MA9. Actually decent yung pwede niyang reward kung papatulan pa to this week. So around 22% upside. Pwede, it's playable. So ito siguro yung best case play na pwede niyong magawa for now. For this week. Wow, that rhymed. So yun, I think yun na yung pwede ko masabi dito for now. Puta pa ulit-ulit ako. So tingnan natin yung mga ibang resistances. Ayun MA100 pala eh. Ayan, pwede nga siya mauntog dito at around 2.70 siguro. Let's see MA200 kung meron siyang ayun. Mukhang ganun. 2.62, 2.70. So baka yun yung magiging target niya if ever laruin to. So there, we're done for tonight and that wraps up my charting session. And I hope marami kayong natutunan at may napulot kayong golden nuggets kahit papano sa akin. And if you want more of these, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on those descriptions sa taas. De joke lang. And ano pa ba? You can also subscribe, follow my Facebook page, I guess. Tapos follow nyo rin ako sa Investa kung gusto nyo lang naman. And yun, ang dami ko na sinabi. Good luck sa inyo bukas. And this has been Alex Corner from the Trading Comedy and wish you luck in all your trades. Paalam sa inyo. Paalam. Good night.